Welcome back once again um, for my Ford knife special. Be sure to watch these three in the playlist. Um, Today, this video, I will be doing this knife. There will be links for the other knives somewhere on the screen. Alright, to start out, I'm going to tell you all the functions. There's the keyring. I don't really consider it a function, but whatever. Scissors. The regular kind that are on Swiss Army knives with the little, not a spring, but a little clip. Tweezers right here. They can come in handy. Toothpick. Nail file with a flathead screwdriver. You can also use it for Phillips. And the last but never least, the blade. It is like a spear point blade, but not really. There's a nail nick to open it, and this is not made in China. That's a good thing. So those are all the functions. And for your guys, probably the most favorite part is the blade. The blade is really sharp. I didn't think it would be that sharp because it was a cheaper knife. I got it at Target in the camping section for about $8.08 on sale. I got it like maybe 2 weeks ago, and it's doing really good for me. I would recommend this. It won't be hard to find. It's in the camping section at Target, like I said. It's by All the Knives. And so that's pretty much it for this knife. This was a short review because there's not a lot of features on this. Well, there's more than any other of my knife reviews, but that it's just a short review. Alright, be sure to watch each one of these knives reviews. Alright, there's links in the beginning of the video. So, I'll see you later. Alright?